I-City Power imilisele okanye imilisele Irhafu Entsha Yombane Ukusukela Ngomhla Wokuqala kuJulayi emva kokugunyaziswa liqumrhu elinguMlawuli wezaMandla kuZwelonke, iNational Energy Regulator of South Africa okanye i-NERSA ngamafutshane. Lenkampani yobonelelo lombane eGoli ithi uhlengahlengiso lwerhafu ye-8.63% luphantsi kunolo oluvunyiweyo yi-NERSA kunye ne-Eskom kwaye luyimfuneko ukugcina iziseko zophuhliso zisebenza kakuhle kunye nokuphucula ukunikezelwa kwenkonzo kuluntu. I-City Power ithi iza kuqhubeka nokusebenzisa amanyathelo okukhuseleka abathengi abafanelekileyo kwiindleko zombane ezikhulayo mihla nezolo.
City Power will be implementing the new NERSA approved electricity tariffs that are kicking in from the 1st of July. And we're doing this while we're continuing to cushion the households and businesses against rising electricity costs through several interventions and ongoing support, especially for the qualifying indigent households and customers. This new approved tariff adjustment for City Power of the 2026-2027 financial year is sitting at 8.63%, which is lower than both NERSA and Eskom approved increases. You'll remember that, and also lower than most of the municipalities in South Africa. You'll remember that Eskom has been approved at about 8.76%, which basically shot the cost of electricity bulk purchases for municipality to up to about 9.01%, which is really a little bit steep for the municipalities and the cost that will be passed unfortunately to the residents. This tariff that City Power is implementing really reflects the entity's commitment to balancing the increasing cost associated with maintaining and operating the electricity network, while also recognizing the financial pressures facing most of the households and indeed our businesses.